RRB Paramedical Recruitment. Posts 1376. Date the 17th of August to the 16th of September 2024. Age 18 to 33 years. Fees. General Other State, Rupees 500. EBCSCSTEWS, Rupees 250. Female Accessum, Rupees 250. Qualifications: BSc Nursing. D. Pharmacy. B. Pharmacy. Other relevant fields. India's Railway Recruitment Board (RRB) has announced the paramedical recruitment for 2024. This recruitment drive aims to fill 1376 vacancies across various paramedical positions like staff nurse, nursing superintendent, pharmacist and others within the Indian Railway Department. This is a great opportunity for candidates with qualifications in BSc Nursing, D. Pharmacy, B. Pharmacy and other relevant fields to secure a stable and rewarding career with the Indian Railways. The application process starts on the 17th of August 2024 and ends on the 16th of September 2024. Below are the detailed notifications and instructions for eligible candidates to apply. The official recruitment notification will be released on the 14th of August 2024 with all the necessary details. Vacancy distribution. Dietitian 5 posts. Nursing superintendent 713 posts. Audiologist or speech therapist 4 posts. Clinical psychologist 7 posts. Dental hygienist 3 posts. Dialysis technician 20 posts. Health or malaria inspector GRE 126 posts. Laboratory superintendent grade E 27 posts. Perfusionist 2 posts. Physiotherapist grade E B posts. Occupational therapist 2 posts. Cath laboratory technician 2 posts. Pharmacist entry grade 246 posts. Radiographer X-ray technician 64 posts. Speech therapist 1 posts. Cardiac technician 4 posts. Optometrist 4 posts. ECG technician 13 posts. Laboratory assistant grade E 94 posts. Field worker 19 posts. Railway Recruitment Board India. Number of vacancies equals 1376. Age limit 18 to 33 years as per central government norms. Last date to apply the 16th of September 2024. Selection process 2 phased CBT, document verification. Official website abapali.gov.in. Qualification. Candidates must possess qualifications in the following areas. BSc Nursing. D. Pharmacy. B. Pharmacy. Other relevant fields is specified in the detailed notification. Age limit. The age limit for applicants is between 18 to 33 years. Age relaxation will be applicable according to central government norms. The cutoff date for determining the age limit is the last date of application submission, which is the 16th of September 2024. Selection process. The selection process for the RRB Paramedical Recruitment 2024 will be conducted in the following stages. Computer-based test CBT Phase 1. Computer-based test CBT Phase 2. Document verification. Candidates who qualify in both phases of the CBT will be called for document verification before final selection. Application schedule. The application window for the RRB Paramedical Recruitment 2024 is as follows. Starting date to apply, the 17th of August 2024. Last date to apply, the 16th of September 2024. Registration fee. The registration fee for applying to the RRB Paramedical Recruitment 2024 is categorized as follows. General Other State RS 500 EBCSCSTEWS RS 250 Female Accessum RS 250 How to apply online. Interested and eligible candidates can apply online for the RRB Paramedical Recruitment 2024 by following these steps. Visit the official website. Go to the official RRB application portal at bapali.gov.in. Register, click on the New Registration link and complete the registration process by providing necessary details like name, date of birth, email ID, and mobile number. Upon successful registration, a registration ID and password will be generated. Login. Use the registration ID and password to log in to your account. Fill application form. Complete the application form by providing your personal, educational, and professional details as required. Upload documents. Upload scanned copies of your photograph, signature, and other required documents. Pay application fee. Pay the application fee through the available online payment modes. Submit application. After completing all the steps, review and submit your application. Make sure to take a printout of the submitted application form for future reference. Like, share or subscribe channel.